What if I told you that the next smartphone you buy might actually think faster than you and even predict what you want before you touch the screen? That's exactly what the Google Pixel 11 Pro is aiming to do, and trust me, this one is not just another upgrade. It's a serious leap into the future of AI-powered smartphones, so stick till the end, because there's a surprise you won't expect. Now, starting with the design and display, Google is expected to refine its premium look with a sleek aluminum frame and a polished matte glass back, featuring a stunning 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, delivering incredibly smooth scrolling and vibrant colors that make everything from gaming to streaming feel ultra-premium. And yes, brightness is rumored to be even higher this time, making outdoor visibility crystal clear. But where things get really interesting is under the hood, because the Pixel 11 Pro will likely be powered by the next-gen Tensor G5 chip by Google, designed heavily around AI performance rather than just raw speed, which means smarter voice recognition, real-time translation that feels instant, and AI features that can summarize calls, edit photos like magic, and even generate content on the go, making your phone feel less like a device and more like a personal assistant. Now, let's talk about the camera, because Pixel phones are already known for dominating smartphone photography, and this time you can expect a triple camera setup with an upgraded main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a powerful periscope zoom lens that could push optical zoom even further, while AI-enhanced photography will take things to another level with features like real-time scene optimization, advanced night photography, and video stabilization that feels almost cinematic. And here's where the suspense builds. Rumors suggest a brand new AI video enhancement feature that could completely change mobile videography. Moving to battery and charging, the Pixel 11 Pro is expected to pack around a 5,000 mAh battery with improved efficiency thanks to the Tensor G5 chip, meaning all-day usage won't even be a question, along with faster wired and wireless charging so you spend less time plugged in and more time actually using your phone. Performance-wise, this device is built for everything: gaming, multitasking, content creation. And with optimized Android software, everything feels smooth, clean, and incredibly responsive, without the unnecessary clutter you see in other phones. As for the launch, the Pixel 11 Pro is expected to be unveiled around October 2026, following Google's usual release cycle, and it's already shaping up to be one of the most anticipated flagship phones of the year. But here's the twist that most people are not talking about. This phone might introduce deeper on-device AI that works even without internet, meaning your data stays private while still getting insanely powerful features, and that could be a game changer in how we use smartphones daily. So if you've been waiting for a phone that's not just powerful but actually smart, the Pixel 11 Pro might be exactly what you're looking for. And here's the surprise. Early leaks hint that Google may include exclusive AI features that won't even come to older Pixel devices, making this phone feel truly next-gen and exclusive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.